Okay, something.
The following is a flood watch statement.
Oh, flood watch.
Flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Wet, flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Adams,
I'm going to put you guys down really quickly so I can make my RFLSCR start.
York,
Shut itself up.
Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in rapid rises and flooding of creeks and small streams, along with other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms will move east across the watch area this afternoon and early this evening in the moisture-rich air mass ahead of a slow-moving frontal boundary that is located over central and northern Pennsylvania. Locations receiving trailing thunderstorms with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will be especially susceptible to flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
See, this is double.
The following.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Emmaus, East Greenville, Valley, Bechtelville, Zionsville, Ancient Oaks, Pennsburg, Marconi, and Albertus. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.